Saint Christopher, bearer of Christ. He is one of the most popular Catholic Christian heroes of the faith. He is a martyr. He died under the Roman Emperor Decius in 251 AD. According to traditions, he was extremely tall, and by some accounts, he was even a spiritual giant, having a significant physical stature and a sure model and inspiration for the Christian faithful. When he was young, he decided one day that he wanted to serve the greatest king he could. He presented himself before his local ruler and entered service until he noticed the king cross himself at the mention of the devil, revealing that the king believed the devil to have more power. Saint Christopher then decided to serve the devil. During his search, he encountered a band of thieves whose leader referred to himself as the devil. But when this leader avoided a Christian cross out of fear, Saint Christopher learned there was someone even more powerful than the devil. He found a hermit who taught him all about Christ, the King of Kings. The hermit, the desert father, suggested that he spend his life in prayer and fasting, a thing which Saint Christopher, a large and probably often hungry man, found difficult. He objected. The hermit suggested he then find something else that would please Christ. Saint Christopher offered to work at a nearby river and help travelers across. The fording was dangerous and many with less strength people had drowned. The hermit advised Saint Christopher this would please Christ. One day, a child approached Saint Christopher by the river and asked to be helped across. He obliged. However, as he entered midstream, the river rose and the child's weight grew and became extremely heavy. It was only by great exertion that Saint Christopher safely delivered the child to the other side. When he asked the child why he was so heavy, the child explained that he was the Christ, and when he carried him, he also carried the weight of the whole world on his shoulders. The Christ then vanished. Legends state that Saint Christopher traveled after this experience and evangelized thousands of people arriving in Lycia in Asia Minor and witnessing to Christians there who were being martyred. At that time, he was detained and ordered to offer to sacrifice to the emperor. When he refused, it was decided to attempt to persuade him with money and women. 2 women were sent to seduce him, but instead he converted them to Christianity. After this, it was decided to have him killed, but various attempts to assassinate him failed. Eventually, he was arrested and beheaded. The name Christopher means Christ bearer. We know of his popularity because around the 7th century, churches and monasteries began to be named after him. Thank you.